amigos and amigas, welcome back to my channel. And today's video, I have a very special guest. Of course, none other my husband. We just recently got married. So we're going to show you our gift that we received from our special guest, our friends. So watch out for this whole video, my amigos and amigas. And it's a very special video because I just convinced my husband to join me in my vlog, which is very difficult, right there? So watch out! Amigos and amigas, I'm going to show you the first gift that we received before we got married. And it's a coffee maker from my friend Joy from Singapore, used to be, and now she's from Canada together with the husband Mikey. Shout out to you guys. Thank you very much.
Thank you guys.
So we will show you. So this is the one that we received from Joy, babe. Yeah, it's a Keurig. Keurig, yeah.
They sent us some hot cocoa pods from Starbucks.
Thank you very much, Joy and Mikey.
Thank you guys.
So we're just going to show you what's inside. Okay. Oh, it's so big. This one's very big. Thank you, Joy, because Joy still remember my favorite color that I used to tell her I like reds. So she bought me this one. Thank you. We're gonna use it, babe, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So watch out next time because me and my babe are going to use this. Thank you. And the second gift, a wedding gift that we received, is from my auntie and uncle from New Jersey. This one's very big. It's a Ninja Blender Duo. So this one, so it's kind of big, but let me just show you. Okay. So my auntie and uncle, well, they are my grandma and grandpa, but I call them auntie and uncle. So they give us after the wedding because they are one of my visitors here.
Comes with attachments and all that.
It's from uncle and auntie. Thank you.
Thank you guys.
Okay, so this is the one.
See what you got us. Thank you guys.
Thank you. And also, other than this, they give us a wedding card. This one. One wedding card from them. So thank you very much, auntie and uncle.
Thank you guys.
Then the other one that we received is from Kuya Mart. Our friend here, our very special friend, is the Aroma. What's this, babe?
It's a hot pot shabu shabu machine that you can make hot pots in. So thank you, Mark.
Thank you, Mark. Kuya Mark
And
said.
he knows how much I like hot pots. So thank you.
Thank you. So we don't want to open it because it's kind of heavy. So we will show you the next time we will use it. Right?
I'm gonna use it. Yep.
Yeah. Okay. And also the one is Kuya Mark Peralta is they also give us a card from Uncle Bert's and family, the Peralta family. So thank you again.
Thank you.
One last time. Not that one yet. Is from my batchmate from my high school, and also she's here already from North Carolina, the one that we meet up in the Jollibee. So this one she gave as a couple mug. And this one, thank you, it's very cute.
Thank you guys.
Thank you, Camille and Joel, for this one. And also another one, I think she included the trouble. Yeah, it's a trouble. It's a, what do you call this? It's like a trouble for traveling for couple.
I think this is called travel tags. Well, you put them on your luggage and everything.
Yeah, it
so that
includes
you
bag
don't
tag.
so that you don't lose things.
Okay, forgot to use it. So this one's very cute. This one belongs to me, the pink one, and the blue one's for my husband already. So thank you.
Thank you guys.
Passport cover and also luggage tag and also a ball pen. So soon I hope we can travel.
Yep. So when we go traveling, we will use this.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And last thing, it's a big box actually from my batchmate Jonaline Fontanilla from Canada. Thank you very much, friend, for sending me this one. I haven't opened it because I want to surprise myself what's in it. It's there. This one. There.
Stop the video.
So this is a painting we received from my friend Jonaline. It's a 4 collection.
It's a set.
Yeah, it's a set. So thank you very much.
Thank you.
From my Jonaline friend Camille and Joel. Thank you.
Thank you guys.
And from Auntie and Uncle and the Peralta family.
Thank you guys.
Thank you. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Joy.
Joy. And also for the mini pots, the pot.
Came with it. Thank you.
Thank you.
This is from Mark.
Queen Mark, thank you.
Thank you, Mark.
So this is the painting that we received from my Johanna and friend Jonaline. It's a collection painting which is 1, 2, 4.
It's a 4
pieces.
set.
Thank you very much,
Thank you.
Jonaline. I think we're gonna hang it here or in the other dining area. So thank you very much. It's so cute.
Should probably make another video of it and everything. Everything that we opened up today.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you guys.
So aside from the wedding gift that we received, we also received a money which is here, but no need to mention it, okay? So thank you very much. And my friends from Singapore that they give me, especially my TSSU family back in Singapore, thank you very much for giving me a gift before I go here, especially Staff Nurse Nolia, which is so very kind, Soman, for giving me these earrings, and all the TSSU family for giving me a token to remember Mother Ram, Liat, TJ. Thank you very much, and so sorry if I cannot mention you all, okay? So thank you very much, my TSSU family in Singapore, for the wedding gift for me and my babe.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye guys.
Bye. So thank you for watching this video showing our wedding gift haul. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below in the comment section box if you want to mention something or if you want to add something to my future amigos and amigas. Do subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to be updated to my upcoming video. Bye my amigos and amigas, keep supporting me.
Time for a love potion, a little sweet and spice. Throw it all in a cauldron, mix it up real nice. Fire in my eyes, stir counterclockwise. I dream of you all night. Filled with emotion, follow the signs. With this devotion, you will be all mine. I'm pulling you closer to me. You're finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking over your mind entirely. I'm the only one that you see. I got what you want, what you need. Before you know it, with me. Little sweet inside.